Hello everyone, I'm so excited again to be with you, and I'm Liana with Music Academy International Inc. and today we're gonna do a really fun key. Really? Is it fun? Well, I hope so because it's pretty easy-ish. And it's not only that it's easy-ish, but we did it before. If you stick with me in the order as I did it, we really did it before. But anyhow, so we're having 5 flats today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the key that it is gonna be B flat minor. B flat minor. Alright, so what are the flats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B, E, A, D, G. These are the flats that it would be really good for you to learn them in this order. Practice this. B, E, A, D, G. Alright? And the major relative of B flat minor is the D flat minor. So if you did not play that one, I would strongly encourage you to go and do that one. You will find it in the link below into the description. So D flat is this one, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. One of the easiest scale to play. Minor relative is going to be B flat minor because you go 1, 2, 3 3 semitones down, okay? B flat C, D flat E, F, G, A, B. I can't even say it all. The point is you gotta play them all, but not C and F, right? So you play B flat C, B flat, E flat, F. Remember these two, you will not play them flat. You will play them as natural. G flat, A flat, B. Okay, that would be the natural way. Well, so right now I'm going to tell you the good news. You kind of supposed to know it because I do have a video with explicit directions for the one that is called A sharp minor, and it's enharmonic with B flat minor, meaning you play it exactly the same, but absolutely exactly the same. A sharp minor, it's enharmonic with B flat minor. So you play it the same, you just name the keys differently. So definitely try to watch that one as well. I'm gonna be more brief into this one because you do have the other one. I don't wanna say it over and over again, but this is how you play B, C. That would be the natural way. You start left hand with a 2. 4 here. Okay, I'm gonna go left hand first. That's the natural way. Both hands, and one on this one, and one on the white key. So one is always on the white key. Okay, so right now if it's to go harmonic, it will go. So this one you will not play it flat, you will play it natural. So this interval, it's a little, I definitely will practice that to learn it where it stands. G flat, A natural, B, A natural, G flat, F, flat, D flat, C, B, C, D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A, and B flat. Do I go too fast? So practice that. Right hand separate, left hand separate, and then both hands, and then you go to octaves. Okay? Right? So, yay! We did this one as well. I'm just going to show you right now how it's melodic, very briefly, one octave, one hand at a time. So even though it's not as hard, so we having these two flats, they're becoming natural. It's like, woo! What are you talking about? So this is how it's gonna be: D flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G natural, A natural, and then a B. It's like, okay. G, A, B, going down, you're gonna go flats back. Cute, right? Yeah, it has a deep sound, B flat minor. It really has like roots, like Alright, so I hope you enjoy my little tutorial over here. Smokey's here and he's scratching, and you can hear boom, 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 boom scratching, you know. He's like, okay, are you done? Give me some food, a treat, something, yes? So I hope you enjoy it. Do practice, as I said, don't give up. There are 2 more to go, and we're done, and we close the circle with flats as well. We're gonna have them all there uploaded and organize it into a playlist. So just click the playlist on the channel, and that's where you're gonna find them all. Thank you so much, and I'm really, really proud of you, and I love you all. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. I'm Liana, the founder of Music Academy International Inc. Music Academy International Inc. It's a non-profit foundation. Our goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study abroad with international teachers. We opened this channel on September 11, 2020. So we're having about 4 months, and we already uploaded about 100 videos by now on a range variety of topics. We did Christmas tutorial for beginners, Christmas tutorial for advanced. I did a lot of performance on Christmas, and then we did tutorials for intermediate, tutorials for beginners, you know, with even some Broadways as well. And definitely we did an entire series of technique with all the scales. 2021, I'm planning to do lots and tons of materials. I'm talking another probably 200-300 videos, I'm not sure, but I have an entire list in which we will do Disney, we will do a lot of Chopin tutorials and more tutorials. I will perform a lot, and many others, especially technique regarding speed, fingers exercise with Hanon. I'm gonna have an entire series, like 30-40 videos just on technique way, how to achieve that. As we speak, this channel is not yet monetized. That means you will not have ads for a quite a period of time. We will see how long we can do that. Instead, we do have our Patreon link. Patreon, it's a page, you know, you will find the link below in which you can support our massive work to share this love for music with everybody. As an extra bonus, all our Patreon supporters, $5-10 a month, doesn't matter how much, you'll have access to our private Facebook group that is called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I'm doing free webinar once a month starting with March. As a second bonus, when you subscribe, every 25 subscribers, they will have a free class with me one-on-one on Zoom. So we always like to over-deliver. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and especially that window where it's saying all. So on this way you will be notified every time I'm uploading a new video and you would like to see it. You can connect with us as well on Instagram, same name, Music Academy International Inc. On Facebook, Music Academy International Inc., exactly the same name. And thank you so much again from all my heart, and bless you.